It's your boy Lucrative Seti. If you like the video, make sure you like it, comment, subscribe to the channel, and let's get to the video. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 simple steps. Yes, 5 simple steps to remove debt collections off of your credit report. I know y'all wanted to see this, so here y'all go. Step number 1, throw your money away. Money is useless. No, I'm joking. Make sure you download the Credit Karma app. It's available for Android, it's available for iPhone, and you can do it on your desktop. It's going to show you your credit score once you put in all your information. Step number 2, go down to your credit score, go to derogatory marks. Once you get the derogatory marks, you click on derogatory marks and see how many collections you actually have in your collections account. It's going to show you the ones that's highly impact, and it's going to show you the ones that's lower impact. Step number 3, before you call in and make the next step, I need you to know your budget. If you know you only have $300, you're not going to go for a debt that you have $1,500 for, because they're not going to want to negotiate it that close. So you want to find one that's more reasonable. So let's say you have a debt for $500 and you have $300. They might go down to $300 because they're only taking a $200 loss. So remember, you have to know your budget, find a debt that's close to it, then you'll be ready to make step number 4. Step number 4. This is the fun part. Step number 4. Let me get out the shade. This is step number 4. You're going to be calling in. When you call in, you got to have your business face on, even though they're not looking at you. You got to have everything set up and ready. Remember, you got your budget, you got a number that you're willing to go over, and you got a number that you're willing to stay under. So let's say the budget is $300, like we used in the last example, and the debt is $500. You call them. They're going to try to get you to pay the $500. Your objective is to not pay the $500. So you know what you'll do? You'll call and say, hey, do I have a debt with this company? Let's say it's in Las Vegas. In Las Vegas, they'll say, yes. Can we look up your social? Let me get out the dark so y'all can see me. Boom. They'll say, yes, let me look up your social. You say, okay. You look up your social. They say, yeah, you have a debt for $500 here. And you say, wow, $500? I never knew it got that big. Even though you knew, because you looked at it, because you're smart. And you followed all the tips and the rules and the steps. Then they're going to ask, would you like to make a payment? You say, yes, but I don't have $500. They're like, oh, well, your debt is $500. We need $500. This is the most important. I'm pointing at you. This is the most important part. You have to ask, is the price negotiable? And it always is. The price is always negotiable. So you say it's $500. Well, I don't have $500. I have $250. They're going to go on their computer and see what they can accept. They're going to say, oh, we can accept $250, but we can accept $325. Boom. Then you got them. Then after that, all you have to do is go on. Once you get to $325, you might have an extra $25, but you don't want to spend it. All you have to do is tell them you got $300 and you're willing to pay today. Hello? Step number 5. The not so fun part. Actually paying for it. Nobody actually wants to pay bills, right? But if you paid the bill the first time, it would have never been in collections. Trust me, I know. I go through this. I went through this, and like I just said, I just paid down some of mine. So once you make the payment and it goes all the way through, you give them your email. I hope you grown folks have an email. They'll send you a verification code, and then in about a week and a half, you can check and see the difference on your Credit Karma, because you downloaded Credit Karma because that was the first step. That's what you're supposed to do. If you following the steps, don't skip a step because you're smarter than me. Because I'm making these steps for a reason. I wrote this down for a reason. But anyway, once you pay them off and everything is good, in about a week, it should be going, it should be all the way through. Now, it's not going to go directly off of your collections. It's going to say 0 on there after about a week or so. It's going to say 0, and then you're like, okay, you paid it off for real. And then eventually, slowly but surely, they'll drop off of your credit. Another way to get them off in the long-term way is wait 7 years. But they have this thing where they buy and sell your collections, your debt basically. They buy some and they sell some. So if you don't want to go through all that, just follow these 5 steps, pay it off, and remember, people, pay your bills. And if you like videos like this, if you like my video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Luca Dossetti, and I am gone.